Hello everyone, it's Honey with a little vlog. In this vlog I want to thank everyone that support my channel, and I'm going to sit down, I have enough subscribers, more than enough, so I'm very happy with that, and I have enough few hours of watch hours, so I can keep my $10 a month. So I'm very happy, and well, I want to thank everyone that supported me. So, and I want to show you my craft room and the way I record my videos. I've never done that before, I suppose. Well, my craft room is very tiny, little and messy. It's more a closet. I'll show you from this way, and it's full with all kinds of stuff. I'm not sure if I can show you what I have. Well, this is my craft. I can't turn the camera, so one moment. So that's my craft table, and up there is my camera with ropes, and I adhered it on the ceiling with an old tripod thing, like so, and there is going a HDMI cable to a little television, so I can watch what I'm doing. These are my lights. White light, this one and that one and the big one. And well, I have, how do you call that, planken? Well, all my stuff here. I'm still busy with reorganizing things. I have stencils here, hanging, big stencils, and I dry my papers there. The other stencils I have in this. And that's my messy. Well, at least I can find it now. I couldn't find it anymore, so that's an old computer. It's not on the internet anymore because well, it's XP on it, Windows XP. So that doesn't work anymore properly. Wow. Like you see, it's messy. It's a closet, a walk-in closet. I just can turn around. It's whoa. Everywhere stuff. Well, you know, I'm always gathering things in thrift stores and well, wherever. Well, that's a hobby too, you know. One moment, I will turn around again. Well, I would like to do live videos, but that doesn't work here. I can't get a connection with the internet with that thing. That doesn't work. And well, with my iPad, well, I can't do anything. I just can put it here and maybe I can adhere it on that that thing what's up there. But yeah, then I can record it live, but I can't see it because I can't. It's an iPad, so I can't make a connection with the internet too, with a computer. That doesn't work with the iPad, so I'm not going live. I think maybe someday when I'm up to well, when I want to show you something, I can go live with the iPad, but not crafting. I'm so sorry. Well, that's it. Thanks again for all the support. I'm very happy and I'm very thankful and grateful. And well, you're great guys. Thank you so much. Bye.